Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you Mighty GPT. Now you can use this powerful chatbot called ChatGPT in your WhatsApp. So it is coming soon to iMessage as well. So you will have the superpowers of GPT-3 and ChatGPT on your messaging apps. You can check out the various prompt library to see examples of how you can use Mighty GPT. So and there is a cost of using it from WhatsApp. It is priced around $9 per month. You can see it in action here. You can just type in what you want to do, and it will give you the information within that chat in WhatsApp instead of going to OpenAI portal. So these are some of the prompts board where you can see prompts. Generate an SVG icon, how to create a div vertically, write a type, typical LinkedIn CEO post. There are various prompts here. These are not the only ones. These are some of the examples. So that is how you use ChatGPT in your WhatsApp. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.